man.
Yeah. Yippee yahoo! What's going on here? Okay.
I'm glad it's not 10.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
I'm ready. As long as you're ready. We're good. All right, we're zipping.
Okay. Let's go.
Yep, just have a
Here we
seat.
go. All right.
Wow. Oh my gosh, it's almost like fun.
We got a bridge after this too.
Oh, all right. Cool. So is this a walking trail through the park?
Yeah. All right, we're zipping.
We did, yeah. Yeah, we never heard of this before.
Yeah, it's a little park.
Yeah, this is neat though. I don't know, we might be back. Roman might like it.
Oh, yeah.
Top of that. It's not zipping, it's walking up there. I don't know if I can walk up to it.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
How was it?
Fine!
Yeah, that looks too much. It's all downhill. Yeah, you could even see that last line, how it went down and then kind of dipped and went back up.
Yeah, this next one's really long. It's like 1,900 feet.
Oh my goodness.
The last one's the longest?
Yeah, 2,100 feet.
2,100.
Yeah.
Whoa! Thank you. Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
They're racing. Oh, look at that. They're just in Oh, thank you. Wow, what a ride that was.
Yeah.
You step up to that next one for me.
Oh, okay, sure.
So you guys were racing?
I
I didn't even see. Did you see them?
I did. And he said, hey girl, and I looked back over my shoulder.
And who's got the thing in their hand? Don, been here for
Yeah,
a
so
while?
he said, hey, and I looked over my shoulder. I'm like, yeah, I'm proud of you. He's flying.
Oh, there's no
This
way.
water. Well, then I get back in the boat, and then right beside the boat is this huge cottonmouth. I was like, oh.
Thank you.
Oh, if I can take this off.
There's more.